Hi everyone, I'm going to draw Levi Ackerman today. So let's start by drawing these two lines for the eyes and then the rectangle, and then we will be drawing the eyes. Eyes are not so difficult to draw, just draw a straight line like this, then a lens, and then the bottom line. Then that's it. Similarly, draw the next eye. I'm drawing Levi because one of the subscribers asked me to draw, so I'm drawing that. And in the end of the video, I'm also going to show you a special thing, so wait for it. As you can see in the sketch, both eyes are not resembling each other, nor the reference photo. But any anime fan can easily tell that this is Levi. And in the end of the video, they will be looking more good. And the thing I'm trying to tell you is that it doesn't matter if the both eyes are not so same or they don't look like the reference photo. They just need to look good and resemble the character. And as you saw, there was not a connection between the nose and the eyes, but I created the connection, like drawing a center line and the two lines from the both eyes down there, and it was a good connection. And I drew the jawline with the easy way, as you can see. Draw the neck, and then the dress, and then we will be moving to the hair. And I'm sounding like this because today I have a sore throat and a little bit of flu, and I really don't want it to be recording, but I love recordings. In the beginning, I was convinced to make the videos without sound because I saw other YouTubers making videos without sound, but I just can't resist myself more and started putting audio to my videos. So like the nose and the eyes, I again created a connection between the hair and the eyebrow. And started drawing the hair by drawing this crow shape and then moving down and drawing all the strands spreading across the eye. Draw the ears, and you should always notice that ears are always located between the eyes and the nose. I created a connection again. Let's draw the hair spreading across the other eye, and then the left ear. Guys, sorry for that, you can't see the line, but it's not that difficult. I believe you can still draw that. And now it's time to do a little of pinky shading. And forgot to tell that I am using a 4B pencil since the start. Here I'm using a 3B pencil for further shading. It's time to do a little bit of blending. Let's go to the intermediate tutorial starting with the 4B pencil. And for the shading, I'm following the reference photo. And now I'm using a 3B pencil. If you're a Levi fan, I think commenting down is compulsory for you, so do that. Let's first do blending before doing the rest of shading. And now let's use a light grade called 2H to shade in the whole face. And after that, let's use a 10B pencil, a very dark one. Time to use a 4B pencil, it's not very dark and not very light. And do shading in the rest of hair. let's shade in the dress, still using the 4B grade. And now let's use 2H pencil again. Now let's bring in our blending stump and do some blending again. And now let's use cotton for the skin because I think blending stump will make it worse as it is too light. And now let's use sketching razor pen to refine the edges of something, particularly to create shines. And now I'm using a white paint marker to create a shining dot in the eyes. And now in the end, do your signature and let's go to the final look. So I really hope to meet you guys in the next video. Wait for it and take care of you. Bye bye.